Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer and entering the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find the About phone. Scroll down again and find device identifiers. And sorry, that's my bad. So device details. And here tap on the model and the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.